Hey guys, me friend Melsonic here. This is a bit of an update because today I'm here to tell you that this game is temporarily canceled. For those who aren't following me on gamejolt. Oh, and also join my community on gamejolt, and it's temporarily canceled for this game, Cartoon Cat Mayhem. And it's going to be scary. So that's going to be, there's definitely going to be a warning in the beginning. It's not going to be like a FNAF game. It's going to be a free roam game. You're going to be in the mall, like as you see right here. So go check out the game, because I'm going to be working so hard on this, because I've looked on mostly I looked on the tell me if you guys want to see a Cartoon Cat game. I haven't seen one. I've gone through a bunch of game places that make games. I went through gamejolt. I went through other ones I can't remember. But I went through a bunch of them, and I didn't see one that had a Cartoon Cat game at all. I went through Google Play also. Still didn't see one.
I farted.
And I'm making a video.